Hi, I'm Shakir. I'm a student of Masai School. I would like to share my experience on to 1 to 5 week in Masai School. I'm basically from Bihar, but currently staying in Bangalore. I did my graduation in computer science and engineering from LNCTS Indore 2020 with 7.69 CGPA. And after completion of graduation, 8 month work in call center, some financial problem. One day my friend did tell me about Masai School. He say without pay money join Masai School when you get a job. Then after paying any fees. And right now I'm a student in Masai School. I would like to share my journey 1 to 5 weeks in Masai School. Masai School not getting only job. Masai School a transformation in education where students learn to earn and only pay when you will get hired. When I joined Masai School in starting was a problem related time, how to manage time 9 to 9 6, and also I was scared somewhere that 7 months to more time to become a web development because my financial condition not good to attend 7 months of because a great job. And after completing 1 month, I realized the importance of Masai School education. Masai School not only a offer head job, it tells a before completing 7 months and before become a full stack developer, you know about yourself and enhance your strength every time day to days. Masai school day begins from Scrum classes. Scrum classes start at morning time at 9 a.m. o'clock. Scrum classes runs 15 to 20 minutes. Within Scrum classes are told about whole day curriculum schedules, about lecture classes. After that, Yogesh are motivated to everyone who can to improve day to day yourself and know yourself better, motivated yourself and increase your skills and strength also. Sir, explain how to Masai school helps in morning ahead scrum classes creates discipline to be maintained. It's like a charge and energetic whole day. After the completion of the scrum classes, are there are classes of data structure within run for 2 hours. After the end of the data structure session, there are communication effectiveness session, which runs 1.5 hour skill session and over you can have lunch in it your hours. By the end of evening, all the lectures are over. After that, you get 5 to 6 hours that you can complete the assignment comfortably. In 5 to 6 hours, you can complete your coding and data structure assignment on OG. In these 5 to 6 hours, there is one stand-up meetings for your queries related. After joining Masai School, my experience in 5 weeks are firstly my basic concept is clear day to day, and I am confidently doing work my subject. Secondly, my technical skill can be better day to day and also practices their assignment. Third, time management. Fourth, hardworking and technical knowledge enhance day to day, and I'm better feel to know about my career. If anyone related my story or journey must join Masai School. Masai School best for everything. That's all my side.